everyone, welcome back to our channel ZTC. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of cybersecurity brute force attacks. Ever wondered how attackers try to break into systems and networks? Well, today we'll unravel the mystery behind brute force attacks and explore their impacts. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a brute force attack? It's a method used by cyber attackers to gain unauthorized access by systematically trying all possible combinations of passwords or encryption keys. Attackers often resort to brute force when other methods like guessing or social engineering fail. Now, let's break down how these attacks work. So let's discuss how brute force attacks work. First, simple brute force attack. In a simple brute force attack, hackers manually guess user login credentials using common passwords or PIN codes, exploiting weak security practices like using easily guessable passwords or personal information. Such attacks are facilitated by individuals using easily predictable passwords or information, making unauthorized access more likely. Second, dictionary attack. A dictionary attack involves testing potential passwords against a targeted username, often by modifying dictionary words with special characters and numbers. While not technically a brute force attack, it plays a role in password cracking, though it's time-consuming with a lower success rate compared to more advanced methods. Next, hybrid brute force attack. A hybrid brute force attack merges a dictionary attack with simple brute force, starting with a known username. The hacker combines potential words with various character, letter, and number combinations to unveil passwords, enabling the discovery of combinations like San Diego 123 or Rover 2020. And finally, credential stuffing. Credential stuffing exploits users' weak password practices by testing stolen username and password combinations on different websites. The attack succeeds when individuals reuse the same login credentials across multiple accounts or social media profiles. So let's discuss how to safeguard our credentials. Mention strong password policies. Emphasizing the importance of strong, unique passwords is the first line of defense against brute force attacks. It's a simple but effective measure. Account lockout policies. Limiting the number of login attempts can be a game changer. Account lockout policies help prevent brute force attacks by restricting multiple failed login attempts. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Adding an extra layer of security with two-factor authentication significantly enhances protection. It's a powerful tool in the fight against unauthorized access. The significance of implementing robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overstated. It's not just about protecting data, it's about safeguarding privacy and maintaining the trust we place in digital systems. Stay vigilant. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and adopt security best practices. Together, we can create a more secure online environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay safe online.